How to send fake snaps on Snapchat without a filter. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can send fake snaps on Snapchat without using a filter. First of all, launch open the Snapchat app. Now go ahead and take a picture. Then you want to tap on this filter icon. Here you will find this option right here, which will help you to import pictures from your gallery. Go ahead and select whichever picture you want from your camera roll. After that, you can simply enlarge this. Now you can add music or effects. After that, tap on the send to option. Now you can send this to whoever you want. Go ahead and send it. Now this is going to be sent as an actual snap. In this way, you can easily send fake snaps on Snapchat without using a filter. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.